Okay, why does God care so much about who we are?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because the book of Luke spends a huge amount of time focusing on people who felt ignored, broken, lonely, or unimportant. Let's slow down and look carefully. Jesus constantly noticed people others overlooked, including the poor, sick, struggling, and emotionally hurting. This might surprise you. The brain changes deeply when people feel seen, valued, safe, and emotionally connected. Most people miss this part. Luke keeps showing that identity and worth are not based on status, success, or popularity. Here is the deeper layer. God cares deeply about who people are because emotional safety, identity, and belonging slowly shape the brain, relationships, and future choices.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Luke shows Jesus paying close attention to people who often felt forgotten or rejected. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Many people were carrying emotional pain, shame, loneliness, or fear. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Jesus often slowed down to listen, care, and build emotional connection before teaching deeper lessons. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Emotional healing slowly develops when people feel safe, valued, and understood. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still struggle with insecurity, loneliness, comparison, and feeling invisible. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated experiences of love, belonging, and compassion slowly train the brain toward emotional resilience and healthier identity.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated emotional experiences slowly strengthen important neural pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns emotional patterns through relationships, safety, and repetition. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Shame and fear slowly increase when negative thoughts repeat constantly. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Compassion, trust, and emotional resilience slowly strengthen through repeated positive experiences. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more emotionally secure or more emotionally withdrawn over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny moments of kindness and connection quietly reshape the brain and emotional health.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Many people quietly struggle feeling left out, unseen, or emotionally disconnected. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Rejection or embarrassment can quickly affect confidence and behavior. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional loneliness slowly weakens motivation, focus, and resilience. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated negative self-talk slowly affects identity and emotional health. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Social media and comparison often make people feel emotionally isolated even when surrounded by others.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Emotional healing usually starts quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily compassionate habits slowly build emotional resilience and security. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns healthier emotional and relationship patterns. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Kindness, empathy, and emotional openness slowly become easier through repeated practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny lights slowly brighten an entire dark room over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during loneliness, insecurity, or emotional stress. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Emotional honesty helps the brain process experiences more safely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one kind conversation or honest prayer matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Emotional growth usually develops slowly through repeated care and connection. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small faithful habits slowly strengthen emotional resilience and healthier identity.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Encourage or notice one person who may feel overlooked today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to, even one kind word matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully, notice when insecurity or comparison begins affecting your thoughts. 4. Adjust without quitting. Emotional growth usually happens through repeated small choices. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small faithful habits slowly create stronger compassion and emotional resilience. Remember, emotional healing and strong identity usually grow slowly through small repeated experiences of love, safety, and connection. God stays close to people during loneliness, insecurity, and emotional struggle, especially when they keep moving forward faithfully. Every small compassionate and faithful decision is helping your brain, emotions, and character grow stronger and wiser each day. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.